Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a product that completely changed my woodworking experience, Ted's Woodworking. If you've ever tried to find good woodworking plans out there, you've probably come across incomplete projects, incorrect measurements, and confusing instructions, right? I know because I've been through a lot of frustration with that, but after discovering Ted's Woodworking, everything changed. So if you want to know whether this material is worth it and how it can help you build amazing furniture with confidence, stay with me until the end of the video. And if by the end you decide it's for you, the link to the official website is in the description. What is Ted's Woodworking? Ted's Woodworking is simply the largest and most complete collection of woodworking plans in the world. It features 16,000 projects, ranging from simple beginner-friendly pieces to more complex furniture and even large structures like gazebos and cabins. And what really sets this material apart from anything else I've seen is the level of detail in the projects. There's no room for doubt or mistakes here. Each plan comes with step-by-step instructions. Everything is clearly explained so that anyone can follow along. Exact measurements, no more guessing cuts and wasting wood. 3D diagrams and multiple angles so you can visualize each piece before you even start. Materials and tools list. No surprises, you'll know exactly what you need before starting. Projects for all skill levels, from easy beginner projects to advanced high-end furniture for experienced woodworkers. On top of that, Ted's Woodworking isn't just a static collection. New projects are added every month at no extra cost. That means it's a constantly evolving resource, bringing fresh ideas to anyone who loves woodworking. My experience with Ted's Woodworking: I started by testing a simple coffee table project, and I quickly realized how clear and well organized the instructions were. I didn't have to guess anything. I followed each step with confidence, and in the end, the result was incredible. After that, I started challenging myself more. I built a bookshelf, then a dining table, and before I knew it, people around me started asking me to make custom furniture for them. That's when it hit me. This material didn't just help me improve my skills, it also opened up a new income opportunity. And let's talk about the savings. If you've ever tried buying ready-made furniture, you know how expensive it can be. With these plans, I saved hundreds of dollars and even found a unique way to make extra money selling my own creations. Is it worth it? After testing multiple projects and seeing the amazing results I was able to achieve, I can confidently say that Ted's Woodworking is worth every penny. If you're tired of bad plans, want to build with more confidence, and need a high-quality resource for any woodworking project, this is the best collection you can have. And the best part, access is instant and lifetime. Just click on the official link in the video description and grab yours before the price goes up or spots fill up. Let me know in the comments, what's the first project you'd like to build?